more stocks in any company at this given time if they're already on the stock exchange. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Ooh. Alright, sunlight, kind of bright though. So today I'm wearing this cute little top from Free Up Clothing. They're the clothing store that's at Bridget's Sandals. So whenever you go into Bridget's on the porch, you see him set up him table and him stuff. That's Kevin, Free Up Clothing, really nice. Alongside me know Kevin, because I long time I got Bridget's, and I never yet buy a shirt because I wasn't really into t-shirts. And then one day, like a month or two ago, I went there and I was just like, you know what, I'm not gonna buy a shirt because everybody know I love wearing greens. I love turquoise and then something there. So, well, turquoise is my favorite color, so, and I love wearing green. And so I saw the shirt and I was just like, I want a shirt then. I like the design and everything. So I buy it at my support, so Free Up Clothing. But today's car ride, I want to talk about my portfolio, my stock portfolio, because the Jamaican market has stress me out. I got into trading forex during the pandemic and it's pretty good at it. And when I came to Jamaica, cause I moved back to Jamaica last year. Oh, the sun is too much. I moved back to Jamaica last year. I was just like, you know what, I probably should look into the stock market, because you know the forex market, they get very, very volatile. I'm gonna lose all my money and just stress me out. So I'm gonna say, all right, let me look into the stock market. Plus my boyfriend buys stocks as well, so it was like, okay. So I went this year and opened my portfolio. I opened my account at JMB because that's where I bank with, and yeah, it was around the time that Spurs really just happened, IPO, and it was like a big success. But they feel like, oh my god, I missed out on it. Some earth and go open my account quick. So when I opened my account, within a few days or so, I bought my first IPO. And for those who don't know what an IPO is, it's an initial public offering. So it's the first time people them are up on the stock exchange, right? And so I bought, I think it was Jamaica Fiberglass. Yeah. I mean, their ticker is JFP. I think it's Jamaica Fiberglass was the first one that I bought. And I was so excited, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna buy my IPO, blah, blah. And then the next IPO that came out after that was Eddie Focal, because I never got a chance to finish reading the prospectus. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna skip this one because I know I have to read the prospectus. Shouldn't I skip it, because that went to $3 something. The one with me buy, Jamaica Fiberglass, it's still there at $140 right now. And I'm gonna buy that, must say March, April. Probably April. No, February, March. Them time there. I still there $1.41 and $1 I'ma buy it. So that was a bit of a disappointment, and I missed out on any Focal. And then after I'ma say, if an IPO come out, IPO, my buy it. It's no business. If I read it, I don't read it, because it must go up. It must go up. So after that, I bought, which other IPO come out? Was it no? Oh, before that though, before I bought another IPO, so I also bought dollar. I'm barely getting nothing in a dollar because it was oversubscribed. That means too much people want it and not enough stocks to go around. And so if you I think it was 5 times oversubscribed. Don't quote me, because it's just off the top of my brain. It's been a while. But so I'm not getting enough of that. I'm really kind of disappointed about that, because that's shut up. Like people they want dollar. But before that though, there weren't also IPOs for a good little while. So I went in, and every day you see me on JMB page. I've download the JSA app, and I'm looking through and I'm deciding, all right on my board all the stocks that I'm going to buy. Are you stopping? Okay. Go on my board and look at all the stocks that I'm going to buy, and what point. And when I wrote down all of the stocks I want to buy, and I put the point that I want to buy it, my boyfriend almost lost it. He was just like, in Augusta low. First of all, him don't want to go so low because some of them stocks that I wanted to buy here are the owns. And so if it go low, that means that he's in trouble. But I say I want to buy this low, buy low, sell high. I want to buy it low. And when it gets to that point, it comes to my points, I'm gonna buy it and it shut up. For during the summer, that happened. It came down, touched the point that I wanted, and it went back up. Me not know what go on from like August, but everything just touched my points and my bites, and it just drop. I'm just stressed out. I stopped when I say I used to look at the stock market every day, every morning, every 2 hours to decide, okay, if you take this one, I get to buy it. I used to do all of that. No, I can't tell the last time I look on the app. But it stressed me out, and I get an alert every morning 9:20, you know, it tells me the opening. Just click it off because that stressed me out. So I am not buying any more established companies on the stock exchange. I'm not doing it until I see the market start making or start recovering, because it's stressful. You buy it and you just see your portfolio is like a negative. When the portfolio look red, I don't like that for me. So I decide that I am only buying IPOs because they must go up. They must go up. Alright, so the next IPO that coming out, Pam Eyelash. Anything else? I'm not even look. Because when I said before, you know, I used to, like, if I buy something and it dropped down a little bit, I say, alright, we get to this point, I can buy some more. Nope, I'm not doing it because it's just a drop some more, and I don't know what is going on in the Jamaican market as to why all the stocks them just go on like it don't have no sense. But big up the companies that's still paying dividends though, because I've had the stock since this year. I'm gonna get like a couple dividends. Yeah. So I mean, it's not much because I don't have enough money to invest with. I'm gonna just, you know, it's a trying girl. But I'm gonna get a couple dividends. I'm happy about that. But I don't like that the prices are. It not go up. It not go past the price that I'm gonna get it. So it not the price appreciation not happening. So yeah, so that's how I feel about the stock market. I probably do a part 2 and actually educate you guys on stocks, but because I'm just in my feelings right now, I'm gonna really touch that topic there because it not make no sense right now if you invest. For me personally, I am not a licensed financial educator or licensed financial anybody. We just talk how me feel. I'm just talk what go on for me. And so yeah, I personally do not feel comfortable buying any more stocks in any company at this given time if they're already on the stock exchange. They're already listed, because it is crazy out there. The market is crazy. I got to a little leap of faith and bought an APO what came out. When I say I buy the APO, I'm gonna forget about it, because when I hear nothing about APO, I don't hear anything about APO that I bought. I just know say them take my money and I know say it, I see it on my arm something, so I know say I buy it, but no appreciation. We don't know how much money really get. It is bad, man. Oh, the police there already, so I'm trying to get what? Excuse me. Sorry. So I don't hear nothing about it, and when I tell you say it never closed, like say it's supposed to close today, it closed a month later, and I was just like, that not safe. So I said I'm not buying no more APO still. Yeah, somebody's calling me. I was like, I'm not buying no more APO either until I really know and really reach the prospectus. IPO, I'm I go buy regardless. But APO, I gotta make sure some read the prospectus because that while man, that while I never had a good experience with the APO, so I'm not really do that again without reading. But yeah, so I am on my way to school. This is my last day of classes for this semester. For those that know or don't know, I am currently pursuing what is that? Oh no, your hand up, so I don't know if you're...
No, I was saying that you probably might be a problem. Like, just pull up.
Okay. What is happening at you today? Lots of cars. But yeah. Andrew, you're calling me?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on.
With our class? So what are you trying to figure out?
How do we get there?
Oh, well, I'm about to find out. Okay. So you is viewing right now, apparently. Mr. Vassal, how we get to class? So go up and come back down. Like, do I drive this way? Like I can turn left?
Yeah, when
Right at this here?
we're gonna go, you have to come back, you know, back.
Yes.
And then when you reach the turn right to come down to the hospital, like coming to the UA hospital.
Yes.
And then you come through the hospital gate and come around to that other gate.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you in class. Okay. Okay, Yui. Yui is viewing today, my dear. Okay. Alright. So, well, my professor isn't in class. I just saw him, so I am not late. So what I was saying is that I am doing my degree in corporate finance, my master's in corporate finance. So that's, and I'm full-time. I am full-time doing this degree, so it's a bit of a struggle with work and school full-time, and the level of intensity. It's not like the undergrad where it's kind of easier. Nah man, it's rough. I'm taking 5 classes and I try to have a full life, so I still try to go out with my friends when I can. I go out with my boyfriend, have time with him, and time with my family. So yeah, I just trying to live my life and have a full life. I don't want to live a life of regrets, and so I will try to make certain sacrifices to be there for the people that matter, because I can't get this time back. But I'm not going to be irresponsible on this topic. When I talk about my stocks, but yeah, so probably do a part 2 and explain certain things that come with stocks, how to get an account, how to buy stocks, what to look for, the terminology, all of that. Probably do that. But right now, Jamaica market has stressed me, and